Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up and launch your own Skool community, so let's get right into it. Now, Skool is a platform for building communities. You can make courses, you can make just communities for discussion, you can make events-based communities, you can do whatever you want. You can also make them paid or free depending on your wishes, but I'll show you guys exactly how to do all of that later. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the Discover tab. This is where you'll be taken as soon as you create your account, and what you can do is you can click create your own over here, or you can go to the community change tab and click on create a community. You will be prompted to enter a group name as well as your current information. It does have a 14-day free trial, but after that it is $100 per month, so keep that in mind when creating one. Make sure you have the adequate amount of money. Now, once you've created it, this is what it'll look like. You will be prompted to go through the setup, which is to invite people, add a description and a cover image, as well as writing your first posts. And once you do set everything up, your community will be good to go. Now, you can invite people even before this. People will be able to see it if they search for it. However, it's not going to be that attractive, so I do recommend you go through the entire setup process. You can also go into the settings and change any settings you might want. You can invite people through here or just directly add them without the need to purchase or request membership. To monetize it, you can go into pricing and add a price. However, you do need to connect to Stripe first. So once you do that, you'll be able to add a pricing method to your community. You can also give it a 7-day free trial so that people can test it out to see if they like it. You can go into payouts and see when your next payout is going to be, and you can also add plugins. You can change metrics, you can gamify your entire community if you want to, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Once all of that is done, you're pretty much good to go, and your community is set up for people to join, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.